Hey, it's Daniel, one of the founders of VibeGrade, and today I want to show you how you can use the VibeTeach extension to not only grade papers, but also create resources and lesson plans and worksheets for your students. So once you add the extension, it'll pop up in the corner of any Google Doc or article or YouTube video that you're watching. And you can just click over here on the smiley face, click create. And let's say I want to create a worksheet based on this article. So I'll click worksheet option, but you could also just talk and ask it to create anything you want. So for example, I'll say, I want you to create a worksheet for my grade 6 students to test them for comprehension on this article. And it should focus on like the entrepreneurial aspects. Do a mix of multiple choice and short answer. And go ahead and create that in a new document. So I'll click on the mic again. It'll transcribe. It'll create that new document. And over here, it's going to ask me if it wants to create a new one or this one. Let's do this document. And it'll go ahead and start creating the worksheet for me. Right in the document, it's going to insert everything and it's going to structure it and format it nicely. So like it'll actually add bullet points and numbers of the questions. So we can see there's name, line, and everything. We can accept these changes or we can make any changes that we want to it. So let's say I want you to come up with a more fun title and change it. We'll see that it actually made a change, changed it from this to Entrepreneur Adventure, the VibeGrade Startup Story, and we'll accept that. And it'll make that change. Now, let's say that you have a really nice template that you like, and you want to create a new resource based off of it, but you don't want to spend a bunch of time styling it, right? So this is a lesson plan template that I found on Google Docs, and you can just click on the VibeTeach extension, click create, and now we can just say, create a new lesson plan just like this, but for my grade 7 students learning about plant cells in science. And I want you to follow the same style and structure. And so, go ahead and create that in a new document. And so it's going to read the document, it's going to look at all the styles, and it's going to go ahead and start creating that new resource. So you're going to see it's actually following the same fonts, same format, same italic text and everything, but it's actually filling it in with information that you would fill in manually in an actual lesson plan. And just like with anything, you can go ahead and make any adjustments that you would like. We'll just click accept over here and we're done. For this last example, I want to go over to a YouTube video that I'm showing my students. And let's say, okay, we're learning about this specific math problem. So I'm going to click on the VibeTeach extension, click create. And let's say I'm going to allow the mic, create me a nice worksheet based off of this video. I want you to do a short summary of what the video was about and then ask the students questions to test their comprehension. And so it's going to take a look at the video in a few seconds and it's going to say, okay, I want you to create a new document and it's for my grade 6 students, so they don't have a super advanced understanding of math yet, but I want you to still ask them questions to see what they understood. So it's going to go ahead, create that resource in a new document, and just like that, it's creating the worksheet for me. You can also ask it to style it in a specific way with different colors. It'll add the source right there of the original YouTube video, add the summary, comprehension questions, and a challenge. And then let's say I want to add like an answer key as well. So add an answer key at the bottom of the document. And so I can just continuously add things and modify my resources. So it's not just like a one thing. You can make a ton of changes to really personalize it to the way that you want to create resources. And just go ahead and click accept here. So just like that, with the VibeTeach extension, you can not only grade papers, but you can also go ahead and create beautiful resources like rubrics, worksheets, lesson plans, all kinds of different things for your class, all within one extension. So I hope you enjoyed and feel free to ask any questions if you guys need help. Thank you.